I'm here today with my friend Davide from Just Like Papa, and he is the king of all things outdoor gadgets. When I go outdoors, I want something that's easy to build, it runs on gas, and obviously it needs to be light because I want to carry it. What would you suggest for me?
So the Kuchama grill runs on camping gas, which is even more portable. And what you're running your system is on a beautiful ceramic plated grill. So you have the best heat distribution.
We're doing a very simple dish, grilled fish and some radicchio salad. So I think this would be perfect for it. Wow, this knife is literally gliding through this fish. Good choice, Davide. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick this bad boy up.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna get him in here. Oh, I can see it's like sizzling. How's that sizzle? So the fish needs about 20 minutes, it's 10 minutes aside. We are going to make a beautiful fresh radicchio salad. There we have your Italian-inspired outdoor meal.
Well done.
Nice.
Fantastic. So you were asking about the stainless steel bottle?
Yes.
So the company is called Mir.
I also love the design. I think it's very beautiful. Yeah. So does it keep your wine cold as well?
It keeps the wine cold.
Okay.
Yeah, it's double walled.
Oh wow, that's very fancy. Well, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Well done to us.
Yes.